I'll give anyone half a brat if they go grab the propane tank for my truck.
No, not worth it.
I'll do it. For a full brat. Today we're having a grill out to celebrate the launch of the first episode of the TechWing. Me personally, I'm a virgin to grill outs, which is kind of funny because I'm the only one that brought propane or meat to grill. So we'll see what happens.
Guys, I got it, it's okay. Alright, in your truck you said?
Yeah, hurry up.
No problem. Guys, isn't the propane tank right there?
Wait. Oh, crap. Jeez, Paris is taking forever, man.
Yeah,
Starving. So I missed breakfast today, and I'm really hungry. And I found out today in second block we're having a grill out. So I got really excited, and I also heard it was a BYOM. So I brought my mouth, and found out M stands for meat, not mouth. So I'm kind of short on food. So I'm looking to scavenge off of anyone for any sort of food.
That's for the grill out.
And I've had no success.
On.
There it goes.
There you go. Beautiful day for a grill out.
Brian, it's just like the St. John's Pool, it's like bipolar. Right here is really warm, and right here is really cold. Go to the pool, that's too expensive.
I almost got so mad at you.
I love pretzel day.
Then you like on I love grill out days. This is horrible.
We're all gonna blow up. We're all gonna explode.
Yeah. I can smell the gas. The infrared, where's my infrared?
That's better than a spatula.
No, myself over here.
It picks up your broth perfectly.
You are literally using part of the building to cook our food.
Yep.
There's no ketchup. His food.
Yeah,
Hashtag Innovation Nation.
Well, the grill out was a total failure. For starters, the grill alone wouldn't start for about half an hour, and when it did, volatile toxic fumes were released, poisoning the meat and my lungs with black CO2. And don't even get me started on the meat. It was burnt to a crisp and tasted like a mixture of dirt and tar wrapped in a heart-healthy wheat bun. I also have salmonella and will be hospitalized later this evening. Oh yeah, and did I forget to mention that Paris is still missing?
And this to grill out.